Hello friends, my name is Dr. Bharath. The videos are meant for the benefit of society. Today we are going to present you a lot of questions for which we have answered, because many of these questions, by answering which many people will be benefited, we are making a video on that. Kindly go through the video to the end. One of the topic that we have covered is very useful for everybody, and the topic is Provident Fund money, can it be invested for long term in stock markets? Before that, many other questions will be answered, and the first question that we are going to answer is, before this workshop I had made lot of losses. After taking your course I made 80,000 profit in short term for 4 lakh investment. Thank you very much, sir. For another 30 years, I am planning to invest and also short term. Our comments are as below. Glad to hear that you are successful and have made profits after our online stock market course. Continue to implement everything you learned in the course, and you are sure to do well in long term and short term investments. You will achieve all your goals because your idea is for the next 30 years. The next question, I am a farmer, how to know how to invest in stock market? Our comments, whatever is your profession, as long as you have an internet connection and mobile, you can invest in stock market. Number 2, learn about stock markets in detail through our YouTube videos and online courses. Number 3, once you have sufficient knowledge, start investing for long term mainly, and for short term if you can devote time for it and you have some risk appetite. Very important, there is no particular profession for which stock market will be useful. It will be useful for everybody, irrespective of your profession, age and your expertise. If you know English, very good. If you have computer knowledge, very good. But no English and no computer knowledge, also you can learn the course in Kannada itself and you can start benefiting. The next question, sir, I have some money in PPF, I will withdraw, and for long term I will invest in stock market. What is your suggestion about it? I am your workshop graduate. Probably we have covered this topic in our workshop. Still, we are repeating for the benefit of everybody. Since you are our workshop graduate, you can invest your Provident Fund money for long term in fundamentally strong companies and monitor them regularly. For others who may not have sufficient knowledge of stock market, it is not a good idea to withdraw PF money, invest in stocks. Number 3, to be confident of earning good returns in stocks, you must be capable of selecting good stocks and also capable of knowing what to do with those stocks in the future. If you need to ask somebody else whether to buy, hold or sell stocks, then you are not ready to invest in stocks. One more interesting thing, in the Provident Fund, if it is employees Provident Fund, you get 8.5. If it is public Provident Fund, you may be getting to the tune of somewhere around 7.1 or 2% per annum. Suppose you withdraw money from there and not use that money for anything else and put all that money into stock market long term and fundamentally strong stocks, then 99% for a long term of 10, 15, 20 years like Provident Fund, you are likely to get anywhere from 15 to 30%, maybe average of 18, 19%, and you are going to invest in a bunch of stocks and in a diversified manner. The next question, sir, I have 3 demat accounts, 2 in my name, 1 in my wife's name. In one account, I want to invest lump sum amount. In another one, I want to do SCP, and in another account, I want to do short-term trading. Is it right? Our comments, your idea is fine. You may also decide to do SCP and lump sum investment for long term in one account and short term in another account. There is no necessity to split SCP and lump sum investment in different demat accounts. However, separating it is also not wrong. Stock selection and monitoring is most important. The next question is also very interesting. With me, I have 1 lakh amount. I want to invest it for short term, and whatever profits I get in that short term, I want to invest SCP for long term. Is my approach correct? Unless you are experienced and an expert in short term trading, it is better to invest rupees 1 lakh fully for long term itself. Long-term investment should be given first priority depending on your age. Many people make losses in short term because markets are very volatile. They don't follow technical analysis rules with discipline. And either invest rupees 1 lakh in few installments for long term or entire amount as lump sum. In future, when you have more money to do both long term and short term, then you can do SCP and keep a capital for short term. Till then, focus on long term only. The next question is the one that you could be wanting to ask, and that is why we are answering it. When we sell, who buys? Because when it is loss only, we sell. So loss, one who buys. In sell indication, if no one buys, what happens? Very good question indeed. We are assuming that you are talking about short-term transactions. Investors sell not only when they are incurring a loss, but also when they have made a good profit. Also, the question of somebody else not buying a stock arises when it is a small company, nobody is interested to buy it. For example, the daily volume of a stock like Infosys is around 53 lakh shares and Titan is around 25 lakh shares. If you purchase such shares, there will always be buyers at every rate. If you buy shares with less market cap, then you may be stuck with those shares since nobody else will be interested to purchase those shares. Now, I'm going to give you some more idea why people sell when the markets go down. For example, let us take the example of Titan stocks. Let us imagine right now the Titan stock is at 2400. Market falls to 2100. You want to sell it. Your question is, why would somebody else buy it? Because it is already under loss. Your assumption is wrong. You are selling it because you are under loss, but at the same time there are large number of people who have lot of faith in Titan and have good stories about Titan, how it has given profit, and they are thinking that Titan has come to a very realistic level at 2100 and they will be aggressively buying it. And at the same time, I'll give you one more explanation why people sell at 2100. You have purchased at 2400, but somebody else must have purchased at 1600 maybe a year ago, and he has seen it going to 2400, slide down to 2100, and since he is already in profit and his profit is coming down day by day at 2100, he intends to sell it, and people are buying for the reason of appreciation in the future. The next question is also worth answering. Dear sir, please mention the names of bullish shares and help me. Our comment, we don't recommend any stocks. Investors need to do their own research and decide which stocks they would like to include in their portfolio for long term. We only help you to learn about stock markets, teach you how to analyze. Watch all our old and new YouTube videos. Learn about fundamental analysis. If interested and serious to learn about stock markets, you can attend our 3 months online course to learn in detail. The next question is about the market cap. Sir, when the company market cap is down, is there any problem? Our comments. Usually if a company's market cap is falling, it means that the stock price is falling. Stock price fall may be temporary or permanent. some companies whose business is deteriorating may fall continuously, never recover since the company is collapsing. On the other hand, sometimes share price falls for temporary factors such as problem in a sector, recession, negative news, which does not have significant impact on the company in the long term. In such cases, share price fall will recover in future and the stock can be held. The last question is also very interesting. Sir, China, Taiwan war is going to happen. What will be the effect on market? Kindly make a video. Friends, we will research and make a video on this. If more people are interested, in the comment section, if large number of people type China and Taiwan, then we think that people want a video on that. We will produce a video doing complete research on it. Friends, if you are not the member of Stock Market Academy channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send this video to all your friends, and the video is good, press the like button. As I said, please type China, Taiwan in the comment box in case you want to get more details about it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.